chipped it towards the goal. Staal back in the net. In front, Granlund scores! Mikael Granlund with his 7th of the season, Minnesota's 2nd of the night.
Well, off the rush here, and the Leafs are in pretty good shape. They have numbers back. And the first play there is just a chip back. Anderson's now moving, but good puck recovery here by Niederreiter. They cycle it back down low. And Granlund just sneaks into that area, but this is a terrific play by Staal here. What a pass. Comes around the net. Oh boy, that's right on the tape. And the Leafs arrive late to the party in the front of the net, and a 2-goal cushion, which is exactly what the Wild have been looking for here as the Leafs have been pressing in the third.